Two popular ways to stash your cash in 2026. One age-old, one supercharged. Which one really delivers? On the left, the high-yield savings account built for maximum growth. And on the right, the classic, reliable, standard savings account. Let's skip the bank slogans and get to the real numbers. Each category stacks up points, so by the end, you'll know exactly which account comes out ahead. The winner? It might surprise you. All right, here's what we're going to compare today. Interest rate, APY, insurance and safety, accessibility, fees and minimums, and growth potential. This way, you totally get the full picture and can decide what fits you best. Starting off with interest rate, because, isn't that what we all care about? So with a high-yield savings account, you could snag rates like 4.20% or even up to 5% APY. That's wild compared to regular savings. They're way above average, no joke. But just keep in mind, these rates do shift and can kind of drop since they're variable. Now, standard savings, we're talking like 0.01% to maybe 0.42% APY. That's barely anything. Stable, sure, but honestly, your money's almost just sitting there. Winner here? Yeah, high-yield savings account just blows it away. Let's talk insurance and safety. I know some of you are wondering, is my money safe? Short answer, yes. With both. High-yield savings accounts, FDIC insurance up to $250K. Standard savings, also FDIC insured up to $250K. Super reassuring, right? So yeah, they're both neck and neck here. Now for accessibility. With high-yield savings, and this is cool, you get slick online features, apps, and it's easy to move money around whenever. Deposits, withdrawals, no headache. But heads up, some accounts might have limits on how often you can pull money. Nothing crazy, just good to know. Standard savings accounts, old school branch access. If you love your local bank vibe, this is for you, but the digital stuff, kind of basic most of the time, especially compared to high yield. So for how easy it is to use in 2025, high yield comes out ahead. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know high yield savings accounts can sometimes earn you 10 times or more in interest than the regular ones? So if you want your money to actually work for you, that's kind of a big deal. Fees and minimums. This is one people stress over. High-yield savings accounts, the good news is a lot of them are fee-free and don't ask for much cash to open. Sometimes, though, you got to keep a minimum balance to score that top APY. Regular savings? Usually no fees, no minimums either. But honestly, with those rewards being so low, does it even matter? I'd say both are cool here, so it's pretty much a tie. Growth potential. All right, this is the fun one. High-yield savings accounts just let your cash snowball thanks to that sweet compound interest. So if you've got short-term goals or just want to see your savings actually do something, this is where you want to be. The one catch is, long-term, it's not going to beat proper investments. But it's way better than just letting your money collect dust. Standard savings? Yeah, you get compound interest too, but man, it's so slow. Sometimes it barely keeps up with inflation. High yield takes the win again. Check out this chart. We're stacking up interest, safety, convenience, fees, and growth side by side. Honestly, when you look at the numbers, high-yield savings accounts just keep winning. So if you really want your money to grow, or just don't want to feel like your savings are stuck on snooze, high yield is definitely the way to go. But hey, if you're all about simple banking and like popping into branches, standard savings does the job. Overall, though, high yield for the win. Ready to seriously boost your savings? Take the next step. Check out highyieldsavingsAccount.com or standardsavingsAccount.com. Whatever fits you best.